Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region. And I'm joined today by Sachin Mathur. He is Director of Software and Control in EMEA for Rockwell. Sachin, welcome to the studio.
Thank you very much, Dan. Thanks a lot.
Always a pleasure to have you. We've got a great topic today, investing in automation and where manufacturers should focus their efforts. So you've got some great insights to share because some of your information is coming from our State of Smart Manufacturing report. I can't wait, so let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
All right. So, to what extent are you seeing companies invest in modern automation capabilities? And do you consider it a top priority for manufacturers over the next few years?
So the State of Smart Manufacturing report, we've spoken with over 1,300 manufacturers across the world, and of course, a lot of them here in the EMEA region. Now, manufacturers have always been at the forefront of adopting new technologies, pushing the boundaries of production automation and product development. Now, we talk about this a lot, but over the 2 years at the start of this decade, which were very challenging, a lot of new technologies were starting to get adopted. We've seen the rate of technology adoption, which would have happened over 20 years, in a span of 2 years, simply because the need for better process optimization, better output, overcoming supply chain challenges have been at the forefront. So the adoption of new technologies, the investments that the manufacturers are making is huge. What we've seen is the growth of investments is up 30% year over year this year.
Amazing. And okay, so clearly there's resource being put behind this. Which solutions are attracting the most investment currently? Help us understand where these resources are going.
So just to put some perspective around that question, right? So technology and the speed of innovation has been tremendous, right? Across the world, across every industry. And in manufacturing, the core goal is still the same, which is to bridge the physical and the digital worlds, right? These two worlds are still very prominent in the manufacturing industry. I think they'll always be, because there's something happening on the shop floor, but there's something happening at the top floor. Bring them together is still the core goal. And therefore, again, like I said, manufacturers are always at the forefront of new technology adoption and using them. Over the past decade, we've seen things like cloud, AR, mobile technologies, connected worker, and so on. And what's taken our world by storm is AI. Now, when I say AI, I don't mean advanced analytics. I truly mean artificial intelligence. So with the burst of ChatGPT last year, especially, generative AI has been taken every industry, especially manufacturing being the first one, um, as a primary use case from an industry perspective. So we see the use of generative AI, again, in the area of process optimization, better upskilling the labor quickly, and also using in security and de-risking some of those challenges that we see around cyber security. So AI has been one of the top technology adoptions that we've seen in the last 12 months.
You can see there's so much interest and so much excitement around AI technology. Let's pivot a little bit and talk about the human element. Where do human resources fit into investment? Should manufacturers also be investing in people alongside some of these really exciting technologies that you're talking about?
And that is a key component of any technology adoption, I think. And when I talk about process optimization, I talk about cybersecurity aspects, and even the use of AI for that matter. We've got to keep in mind that the human capital, the workforce, is still at the very middle of it. We know for a fact with all the statistics that we have that there's a lot of labor that is going to be retired in the next 5 years, and the new generation, Gen Z or Gen Alpha, are coming into the picture, and they're all very information ready. We're in an information rich age. So manufacturers know that. They're well aware of it. You know, manufacturers are very smart people. And investing in human capital has never been more important. We've seen, you know, we asked a couple of questions in via this State of Smart Manufacturing report about where are they seeing external and internal risks and how are they de-risking that. And the human capital, I shouldn't keep saying human capital, but the workforce, the domain expertise, and the skilled labor is the top answer to that question of what do they see as the one of the key external and internal factors that they have to overcome as challenges, other than the technology aspect itself.
Interesting. Sachin, let's talk about outcomes, right? I mean,
Yeah.
I think that that's always so key. What will be the end benefits of this approach, this dual approach of investing in technology as well as people?
Yeah. So, you know, people, technology, and domain expertise go hand in hand. You know, if you know the strongest shape in mathematics is a triangle, and these three are interconnected. This is the strongest force that any industry can undertake: people, technology, and domain expertise. So the interconnection, as you talk about with technology and people, is going to continue for the rest of our lives. And when we talk about outcomes, again, when I said, you know, the bridging the OT and IT worlds together, bringing physical and digital together, I think the outcomes that the manufacturing industry want continues to be um, driving better process optimization, reducing waste. I think driving sustainability has been a top topic as well that we've seen. The corporate governance, social governance, and in the environmental changes that we all need to achieve is one of the top goals. And of course, alongside that, you know, accelerating innovation and transformation. That is a key topic as well, because transformation isn't just about technology. You've got to get your people together. You've got to bring those different organizations and functions together so that you can accelerate innovation and collaboration between people to then achieve process optimization and et cetera, et cetera. So I think that's where the worlds are colliding.
Sachin, thank you for not just sharing some insights from the State of Smart Manufacturing report, but also your perspective on it. I think it's been very valuable, so thank you very much.
My pleasure, Stan. Thanks a lot.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about the insights from our State of Smart Manufacturing report or industrial automation and digital transformation solutions, visit rockwellautomation.com.